Hello guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of my static grass scenery for my model railway. In this video I'm going to be doing a bit more in this corner here, and I'm going to build a bit of a hillside using a bit of foam, and I'm going to be using a bit of this modelling plaster from WWC Nicks and this metal modelling metal. So hope you enjoy this video, and let's get to it. So I'll start by gluing and placing down the foam boards into position where I want the hillside to be. Just using some PVA glue, place the metal sheet into position, and then just by hand you can sort of mould it all around the foam and then using the glue gun to glue it down and fasten into position. I found this metal sheet to be really good moulding all the different areas. It's really flexible, and you can mould it into position where you like. It's really good. Now with a bit of PVA glue and a bit of water mixed together to create a gluey paste. Now I'm going to add a bit of kitchen towel to the paste to put down as a base on top of the tin metal. This is to create a base on top of the foil to give it more structure and to work on top of the foil. Looks good. I was really happy with this. Leave for 24 hours to dry overnight. Now for the fun part. This is fibre mode plaster, and we're just going to add some of this to a plastic pot and then add some water to mix. Keep blending and mixing till it goes into a paste. And with a spoon you can just start adding it onto the base. You can use your hand, fingers, but I just prefer making a start with the spoon. Just spread it out. Worked quite good. It's really nice stuff to work with actually. You can just easily spread it out. It goes all into the gaps nicely and really create a nice base. It really is fantastic stuff. I love this stuff. Now here I'll just use my fingers just to smooth it out a little bit and to press it down. I left mine to set and dry for about 2 hours, and then I put a bit of PVA glue and brushed it all over to get it all ready for static grass. Using the static grass applicator, you just need to shake it and evenly spread the static grass. Just let it fall out naturally, and it should give you a nice coating and a nice layer of the grass. I started off using the 2mm And I also added a 4mm slightly longer brownie tone. Here I add some tufts to the background. It really helps blend it all the scene back into each other. They're really good. They're easy to stick down. I added a bit of PVA glue to them just to help fix them down a bit more. Also added some flowers to the scene. So I really enjoyed making that. It looks fantastic. Really happy how it looks on my layout. This fibre mode plaster works really well. I was really chuffed with that. Really easy to mix and to just with a spoon blending it all onto the base there. It was really easy and it dried nice and quick. So fantastic stuff. And yeah, my layout's really coming on now. Looks, I've done all the back here as well. Grassed it all. So, and yeah, if you've not seen any of my other videos, anyone new to the channel and just joined, I've done a video right from the start of this layout, from the baseball to laying the track, all the ballast. So if you haven't seen those videos, make sure you check them out. There's sort of great information there and tips on how to do it all. And in my next video, I'm going to be making a good shed from Metcalf Good Shed. It's a card kit model, so I'm looking forward to making that. And that's going to be the start of making my goods yard area here. So I'm really looking forward to that. And yeah, thanks for coming along this journey, watching my progress on my model railway. It's fantastic. I'm really enjoying it. I love making these videos. So if you can like and subscribe or leave a comment and any feedback, I love to hear. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.